Look, oh, that was a beauty. That was a beauty, that was. Well, good morning from sunny, beautiful Porterville. Place where I was born and bred. House there, saltwater right next to it. Down here, small community, 40 or 50 people at the most. No stores, no gas stations, no nothing. Only just good people. So I come back here as often as I can, spend time with my family. And growing up in a small town like this means we had no sports, you know, none of that stuff that you would normally do in a bigger city. All we did was kind of live off the land, grow our own vegetables, and go trouting. So today we're going to do just that. Myself and my father, who's 84, still quite healthy, going to take off the day low-key, just head back in the woods to a small little pond, and hopefully catch a few trout to throw in a frying pan, and then just enjoy the day together. So come along. It's going to be an exciting day no matter what. And of course, Willow's back. She wasn't in the last video, but we had her sent down precious cargo on the plane yesterday. Big butt. There's Maggie the dog. She's going with us today too. Hi Maggie. Maggie. Hi. There's Father. He's the guide today. Any predictions on the fishing today?
Yes, I expect that we'll have a meal trout before the day is out. Never fly down there, I'll have a meal on us.
Yeah. Caribou Willow. Yeah. They don't like getting off the road, do they? Oh. Yeah, no. Good. What's wrong, Willow?
Always tell me.
What's wrong, Willow? What's that? You stop that, you. Moose. Worms already. Gonna use a fly rod and worms today, or we'll try the boat. See what happens there. That's right. Oh, I'm not sure where he's taking me, but there's no trails anyway. It's pretty much where you got to go these days now to get some trout, I guess. Are you enjoying yourself? I think the housekeeper might be a little bit upset with you this evening when you come home like that. Hi, Maggie. Willow is like literally going circles around Maggie. Prepare for the course with Willow. Well, we haven't quite made it to the steady, but already this little tiny trickle coming off the pond. You see a whole bunch of little trout there jumping up, feeding on the flies. My father's going to try the fly rod now, just right there. Here, Willow, come on, get out of the way, you. Oh, one just jumped again there that time. I saw 3 to 1 time there a second ago, so see what happens now when Dad puts the fly out there. Oh, look! He jumps after that time. Yes, boy, look. You got him too. Yep.
He's not a people.
No, he's a smaller one, but it's probably here, Willow. Get it, eh? First, Mr. Nosy Pants got to get in everything here. Yeah, and then Maggie's tied up there with the shrine. That's a blast. Worth bringing the dog? Yes. He's going to hook a fish there. A lot of fish in that corner up there. Here, here, here. The dog sees him too. Oh, guaranteed. Yeah, you got one, a smaller one. Look at that, look. Isn't that something? What are some tick there, eh? Some small ones.
Yeah.
Nope. Trying again. Oh, I saw him come up from the bottom that time. Beautiful, look. My sonny, man. She must be full there. Here. Look. Unreal. That's a nice little trout there, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah. There we go, boiler. That's a nice trout there, boiler. That's the ones for the pan there. And there's lots more there yet.
And Vera like them, boy.
And Vera, for a meal. Yes, boy.
Yeah.
There it is, look. Look at that, boy, look. My sonny, man. She's full, Willow. Look at that, boy. Dad looks like he's about 16 years old again there now. Look at that, man. Wow. That's a neat rig, that is, eh?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, it's on that time, boy. Here, shh. Stay. Yeah, look at that, look. Well, man, oh man. Oh, this is just as good as being a trophy fishing something, right now. That's nice fish, Dad, boy. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Wow. I know she's more excited than here, Willow. My, oh my, oh my. Beautiful. Boy, oh boy, that's unreal. Yeah. Yeah, well, they're coming up 3 or 4 at a time there. That's boiling there. That really is for fish there now, so. Yeah. Oh, one was after 10, look. There he is, look. My son, she's rocking and rolling. Here, Willow. There's no way, look, immediately. That one's a smaller one too, I think. Look, just as soon as the fly touched the water. They're mad for it, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yes, boy. Oh, well, we're going to put that one back for another day. There you go, buddy. Here, get it there. Boy, the fly can't touch the water. Like they're almost jumping up after it before it even strikes. Is that quick? Yeah. Did he come off?
Yeah.
Oh, he come off, eh? Oh, that was a beauty. That was a beauty. That was. Gosh, oh boy, that's amazing. You got him that time, don't you? Yeah. See, these are pan-sized trout, we call them. Now, that's the best eating ones. They're usually quite plentiful. Most fun catching too, eh? They're just so eager to take the fly or worm. I haven't even put my worm in the water yet. It's a bit of a bigger one, you figure, eh? Yeah. Yeah, he's not jumping up in the air like the other ones. Yes, he is, yeah. He is a beautiful fish, yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, he took him down too, didn't he?
They're feeding too, right?
Yeah.
Right down to the...
Yeah, beautiful fish, beautiful trout. Look out, look, this boy. That's nice fish, Dad. Yes, sir, buddy. He was right up under the bank there, look. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he was right up under the bank. He was, look. I saw when you put your line down there. Wow. My son, they're heading up already.
You want to catch some fish?
What?
You want that?
I can't even think about catching fish because it's too much fun watching you do it there now. I'll try it once, that's alright. That's a beautiful run of fish. Here, look, Maggie, look. Always a dog into the rod. Here, what?
Maggie,
Maggie.
Maggie.
Get out of it, you. A few flies at you. Finally lid down after all the excitement, but having a hot day too. Good thing there's a bit of water around. Well, I'm having a ball. Dad's having a ball. I'm gonna run back now and get my worm. Just to try that, you know, just for fun, to see if the worm works as good as the fly. If not, we'll go back to the fly. Alright, reach into my little homemade worm kit, worm box that I made a couple of years ago out of a Tupperware container. That works some good, boy. Now, my father's don't use worms very much these days. He just kind of likes to fly. And you can see why. It's really fun. But just for fun, now we're going to try this now and see if it works as well as the fly. Kind of suspect not, but I won't know till we go to the try. Now, I got this old spinner here, boy. Nothing fancy. Put on the old worm there. Maybe if he gets tired to fly, maybe they'll go for this worm. Here we go, out in the water. All right, out we go. See what happens here. Out you going, little brookie. And Willow's there, of course, right where the fish would be. I'd say she, oh, I saw a small, oh, that's little small ones there. I do see 3 or 4 small ones, but I think that I don't want to go out too far. I'm really enjoying this today. Watching my father again, he's 84. Catching these fish. I mean, we walked a long ways back here. Never missed a beat, he never. So to me, to be able to watch him catch these fish today is a real treat. My dad already caught 3 or 4 here, but there's still fish jumping after it, you know. Oh, and one here. Got one. Yes, sir. Look at that. Nice fish. I can see 3 or 4 more following here. Last one right there. Wasn't a real big one. All right, got a nice big juicy worm put on. Here we go. Look. As soon as he touched. Here we go. Look at that. Look. Nice trout too. Beauty trout. Yep. Here he goes. Look. Oh boy. Look at that, Willow. What a beautiful trout. Look. Man, oh man, he wants that bad today. Look. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Isn't that a beautiful, beautiful speckled trout? Oh my. Neat little skiver, eh? Goes around your waist and you just take your fish then. Take your fish and just feed them. Put them out in gills and you got them on there. Best kind. Alright. Ask me try again here. I find that those sometimes a bit. Oh, look, first thing. Holy cow, look at that, look. My son, she's boiling with trout here. Boiling, look. You know, last week I was catching humongous fish, you know, down to Grand Lake, the largest lake in Newfoundland, and it was exciting, you know. But these are smaller trout, but so tasty and just so exciting to catch, eh? Because you got constant action all the time, so. Anyway, another one for the skiver. Awesome. Oh yeah, they're savage for the worm too. Soon as he strikes the water. There we go, in the water. Look, already, look. My sonny man is a smaller one. I'm going to throw that one back. You can't see it, guys, but I can see it with my Polaroid glasses on. When the fish comes in, there's 2 or 3 more following it. That's how thick they are here. Yeah, okay, he was hooked just nicely. Back in the water you go. Okay, watch this now. Willow's even out in the water there. I'll cast, and you watch how fast. Here he goes, just touch the water. Just like that, look, another fish. Boys, boys, oh boys, this is unreal, look. Look. Again, you're not seeing all the fish here, but we're throwing back a lot, you know. Throwing back more than we're keeping, and doing our part to make sure that the fish is there for next person comes along. Back you go, buddy. We have a little glass of drink, hold your fish up there, look. You get a nice few there now. Well, that's something else, eh? It's that little creek there. Those fish are going to stop and have a little bottle of drink or something now.
What do you see?
What are you doing, Meg? Getting tangled up in my knapsack. She's the knapsack out, thinks she's going to some grub from it. Yes, sir, yeah. Right over there. Cranberry juice every day. I love cranberry juice. I love cranberry juice.
I do.
But that's the original type. See, they got a lot of sugar into it, eh?
Oh, okay.
I don't know what's worse, you know, aspartame or sucralose.
Yeah.
Well, I can see as soon as I start shedding some clothing, and of course I got my shirt on underneath. I don't think Dad got it one. Where's your everything outdoors shirt?
It's in the making.
In the making? Well, let's see if we can get you one. Got a whole bunch of geese here in the steady. Looks nice. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That may indicate that they're not nesting, you know, when there's that many together. You see there's only a couple paired off. What's that, Willow? making that noise? Oh, the big honkers. You never believe these little tiny trickles that comes in. You never peg. Oh, nice fish. Oh, just like that. Oh, wicked. I'm gonna put that one back now, Willow. I can't keep them all, eh? There you go. Oh, beautiful fish, boy. Look at the colours on that. Look. Those red dots. Well, we got more than enough fish. We're after catching dozens. Kept a few for a lot. Are still breaching like crazy. Last cast in of the day. Look, you just cannot let it in the water unless a fish grabs it. There, just like that. I can't remember the last time I had fishing there was so much action as this. I'm gonna take it to the frying pan now and have a little cook up. Awesome. Well, putting up 3 or 4 fish for the pan there now. We're going to find a spot that's safe to start a little fire, and I'm not quite sure exactly when this video is going to come out. Roughly around Father's Day, and it doesn't matter if it's not exactly Father's Day or not, but take a moment, you know, and reflect on how lucky I am, you know, to be a father, and not only be a father, but still have my father. A lot of you guys have told me about your dads in the last little while, and you know, they're just not with us anymore, and but their memories live on forever. But anyway, special Father's Day to everybody out there. Very early moment. You don't know when will be the last, you know. And, anyway, I'm happy. It's good. Very grateful. Well, I think we outdid the dogs. 2 of them are out for a little nap. Time to go. Well, what a fabulous day, guys. Good day trouting, a few laughs, had a good feed, fresh trout. Now we're on the way back to the truck and way back home. Again, I'd like to say happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. And until next time, guys, take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time, guaranteed. There he looks the part. Perfect. Loyal fan.
Yeah.
You owe me $12.50, by the way.